What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to install Samsung Music app in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to install the Samsung Music app you can open Play Store or Galaxy Store. So after opening a store, go to the search bar and search for Samsung Music. And here tap on this icon Samsung Music, and to install tap on install now. It will take few seconds according to your internet speed. And after downloading the Samsung Music app you can so now you can tap on open to use the Samsung Music app. So give the permissions and then you will be able to use Samsung Music. So that's how you can install Samsung Music app in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.